Well, good morning, folks. Today is January the 2nd, 2024 at about 11 a.m. in the morning, I believe. Let me check. Yep. And I'm over here at my property. I haven't filmed anything in quite some time. I guess it's been back in December when I was working around my house there with those blocks, and I still got some work to do on it. But anyway, so I'm over here by my vegetable garden in the woods, and I am going to erect this little stand right here, so in the future when we're deer hunting, we can actually bring the deer right here and hang it up and field dress it here. We have been taking it to my house and field dressing it there, and cleaning it and all that. But the plan for, since we've only got just a few more days of deer season, the plan is for next year is to have one of those water tanks over there sitting here with an electric pump and a generator to help wash it off whenever we get it field dressed, and do it all right here instead of taking it to my house and doing it. So anyway, that's the plan. So today I'm going to finish building the header and putting a bolt in there for my come along that I bought for it, and then I'm going to set this set the post and pour concrete and just let it start setting up. So that's the plan right now, and I'll get it back in when I get it up and get it braced level with the whirl. Okay, so let me get started on that and I'll get you caught back up. Okay, I've got it set up. I've got to do some adjustment in here, and I'm going to take that board and put it on this side, but I've got to do some adjustments up there. So I'll do that after the cement dries. So I've got it leveled, and so now I've got to mix up my concrete and pour into these holes, and then let it set. Then I'll come back and get on my ladder and fix this top up here and finish that off, because I'm going to take that board and put it up here and screw it in that side over there, giving it more. And I've got to pull this in a little tighter. So I'll wait till the concrete is dry a couple of days and come back and fix that. All right, so now I got my wheelbarrow, got my water, got my Sakrete, and I'm gonna mix it up and get it poured. And I'll get back with you when I get that done. Okay, so I got the cement poured on the post. I'll let it set for a couple of days, and then I'll come back over here and I'll take that brace off and I'll get this all fixed up here. All right, so now I've got the vegetable garden that I'm building across the road, and we're going to go over there and I'm going to give you an update on that one, and we're going to set a couple of posts. So I've only got one bag of cement, and I only bought one bag, I mean 3 bags, 2 for this over here and whatever I set over here today, but we had some other things we're going to do this afternoon, and if that doesn't pan out, then I'm going to go back and get several more bags of cement and finish putting up some posts over there, and I'll show you that when I get over there. It's right across the road.